Alright, how's everybody doing today? Today we are going to look at some Kiley's Nymph Skins. And as you can see, comes in a bevy of colors. This one being some hot pink. And let's check this stuff out. In each pack of Nymph Skin, there are 6 pieces. I'll show you just one of these. And these are 10 inches long by 1/8 inch wide. They're very thin, as you can see, and they have some stretch to them. And what these are used for is tying very realistic looking segmented bodies by just simply overlapping the material. And so what that lends itself to is, of course, look at a very natural or realistic looking caddis larva, caddis pupa. And then you get into nymphs in general. And so if you really want to get into simple buggy looking bodies, this stuff is great. Crane fly larvae, of course, grubs, anything like that. You got natural colors, exotic colors, you can cover the gamut. So if you really wanted to get crazy, you could go into doing even adult terrestrial bodies, and then, you know, they'll just be missing the legs, like on a stimmy or a grasshopper or something like that, which is no big deal because you can easily add rubber legs on the outside. So there you go, Kiley's Nymph Skin. Great product, easy to use, tie up a bunch of bugs in a hurry. Can't be beat. Thank you for watching.